In the heart of the jungle where the treetops sway, mischievous monkeys come out to play with furry tails and eyes so bright they chatter. And up in the branches a playful droop hanging upside down, a daring loop, curious faces and nimble hands in the jungle where the wild bananas in hand they munch away. A monkey feast, a lively display, bounding and leaping from tree to tree in the canopy, wild and carefree. With acrobatic flips and a cheerful song they dance along branches. Agile and strong, cheeky grins and laughter fill the air as the monkeys play. All little ones come join the fun in the jungle under the warm sun. With the monkeys let your spirits soar in the magical world forever. In the jungle's embrace where the treetops meet, mischievous monkeys dance to a rhythmic beat with furry tails, and as full of glee they swing.